Where can you get the money from to start a new business or for an existing business? Depending upon how your credit look or how the PG credit look or how the business file look, what's on the business, what's reporting, this will determine the answer to this question. Or what's reporting on the business is key to this question. But remember, we can provide shelf corps, business trades, credit assistance. Funds can come from banks. You already have relationships. Or you can start looking for funding at credit unions, SLOCs, MCAs if you need a quick start. And once your business is where it needs to be, and of course we can help with that, then you can start looking at SBA loans. But options are endless. With all the T's crossed and all the I's dotted, with both business and personal credit, it's a win-win situation. And remember, Bo knows. Who knows? If I don't know, I know somebody that do. Bo knows.